Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, you will need 3 different colored crayons. The past few weeks, we've only been using 2 different colors, but today we will be using 3 different colors. Please gather your materials now. Our first word is bed. B-E-D, bed. Please write bed with your first color crayon. B-E-D, bed. With your next crayon, please trace bed. B-E-D, bed. And with your last crayon, please trace bed. B-E-D, bed. Our next word is net. N-E-T, net. With your first crayon, please write net. N-E-T, net. Second crayon, trace net. N-E-T, net. And with your last crayon, trace net. N-E-T, net. Our next word is leg. O-E-G, leg. First crayon, O-E-G, leg. Second crayon, O-E-G. And our last crayon, leg. O-E-G, leg. Our next word is jet. J-E-T, jet. With your first crayon, please write jet. J-E-T, jet. Second crayon, trace jet. J-E-T, and your third crayon, trace jet. J-E-T, jet. Our next word is red. R-E-D, red. Please write red with your first crayon. R-E-D, red. With your second crayon, trace red. R-E-D. And your last crayon, trace red. R-E-D, red. Our next word is 10. T-E-N, 10. First word, please write 10 with your first crayon. T-E-N, 10. Second crayon, t, a, n. Third crayon, trace 10. T, a, n. 10. Our next word is hen. H, a, n. Hen. First word, first crayon, hen. H, a, n. Hen. With your second crayon, please trace hen. H, a, n. Hen. Your third crayon, trace hen. A, n. Hen. Our next word is pen. P, a, n. Pen. Please write pen with your first crayon. P, a, n. Pen. Second crayon, trace pen. P, a, n. Pen. Last crayon, please trace pen. P, a, n. Pen. Our next word is web. W, a, b. Web. First word, please write web with your crayon. W, a, b. Web. With your next crayon, trace web. W, a, b. Web. Last crayon, trace web. W, a, b. Web. Our last word is stem. S, t, a, m. Stem. First crayon, please write stem. S, t, a, m. Stem. Second crayon, trace stem. S, t, a, m. Stem. Last time, stem. S, t, a, m. Stem. Good job. Flip your paper over. All right, my friends, we are going to find the word that matches the picture and circle it. Our first picture is of a vet. I see two words under that picture. Vet. Vet and ven. Then. Please circle the word that says vet and write it on the line. Vet. Our next word is a group of men. Please find the word that says men and circle it on the line and write it on the line. N. Does this say men or does this say men? That's right. This word says men. N. Men. Please write men on the line. N. Men. Our next picture is a skirt, and the arrow is pointing to the hem. Hem. Which word says hem? Does this say hem? Or does this word say hem? That's right. Hem is right here. Hem. Please write hem on the line. Hem. Our next picture is of a girl with her pet. Pet. Which word says pet? Please circle pet. That's right. This word says pet. Pet. Please write pet. Pet. Our next picture is of a bed. Bed. Please circle the word that says bed. That's right. This word says bed. Bed. Please write bed. With that B, I'm going to do the back first, then the belly. Bed. Our next picture is of a kid who is soaking wet. Wet. Which word says wet? That's right. This word says wet. Wet. Please write wet on the line. Wet. Our next picture is of a hen. Hen. Which word says hen? That's right. This word says hen. Hen. Please write hen. Hen. This picture is of a dog who is starting to beg. Beg. Which word says beg? That's right. This word says beg. Beg. Please write beg. Beg. Our last word is jet. Jet. Which word says jet? That's right. Here it is. Jet. Please write jet. Jet. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.